Hi there, everyone. Today, we present to you the 7 best running shoes of this year. Whether you're searching for a versatile shoe for daily training, a supportive model for stability, or a high-performance racer to break your personal records, we've got you covered. After rigorous research, we've gathered the top picks for you. Watch on to discover the standout features of these exceptional shoes and find the perfect fit for your running needs. As always, you can find all the product links mentioned in this video, provided right in the video description and in the pinned comment down below. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Nike Zega 2. This trail running shoe excels in all-terrain conditions, offering a plush, responsive ride coupled with superior traction from its Vibram Mega Grip outsole. It's built to handle the toughest trails and still offers a comfortable and secure fit, making it our top choice for trail enthusiasts. At number 6 is the Asics Gel Nimbus 26. This shoe is our top recommendation for those seeking plush cushioning. The Gel Nimbus 26 features a high stack height and soft midsole foam that delivers a luxurious, cloud-like feel with every step. While it's not the fastest shoe on the market, its comfort and durability make it perfect for long, easy runs. Coming in at number 5 is the Asics Gel Koo 30. This shoe is our pick for stability, offering a balanced mix of cushioning and support. With its new 4D guidance system and a wide platform, the Gel Koo 30 provides excellent stability and comfort, especially for high-mileage runners. Its plush cushioning and superior breathability make it a solid choice for long runs. At number 4 is the Nike Vaporfly 3. When it comes to race day, the Vaporfly 3 stands out as the ultimate choice for those aiming for a personal best. Its lightweight build and advanced ZoomX cushioning deliver an exceptional combination of speed and comfort, making it ideal for long-distance races. Despite a few minor drawbacks like a bulky tongue, the Vaporfly 3's performance is hard to beat. At number 3, we present the Puma Deviate Nitro 2. This shoe takes the crown for speed training, blending a stiff carbon plate with plush cushioning to offer an exhilarating and smooth ride. It may be a bit heavier than other speed trainers, but its high energy return and responsive feel make it a great option for fast workouts. Coming in at number 2 is the Nike Pegasus 41. This iconic shoe continues to impress with its newest iteration. The Pegasus 41 features a new React X foam midsole paired with Air Zoom units, delivering a plush yet lively ride perfect for daily training. Its upper provides excellent breathability, and despite a slight price increase, the Pegasus 41 offers great value with its durable build and comfortable fit. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Asics Nova Blast 4. This shoe is a top contender for the best all-around running shoe of this year. The Nova Blast 4 redefines comfort and performance with its ultra-stacked midsole, offering a soft, responsive ride that stands out in our lab tests and on the road. With a softness rating 28.7% above average and an adaptable flex 13.5% better than most, it excels in stability and durability, though it may fall short for those chasing speed records. We hope this list helps you find the ideal running shoe for your needs. Thank you for joining us today, and happy running! You can learn more about these excellent products by following the links in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.